I became involved with the All programme partway through the intervention, as I was new to the school and I took over a class. So I took over a group of children at the Year 2 level. They had already been in the programme and all had been up and running for 7 weeks. And I had 3 weeks with them and then another 2 weeks after a set of school holidays. So that was quite difficult to take over a group. The children had obviously already been selected. There was initially 5 children in the intervention, one of whom had made significant progress, so had was already uninvolved by that stage because of that progress. I followed on with exactly what the previous teacher had identified as the group's needs. She identified that the skills of reading left to right and sequencing through words was a focus, building basic sight words knowledge, developing strategies to solve words when reading, letter confusion, particularly DB and UY confusion. The group also needed to focus on listening for sounds in words and developing fluency and confidence in reading. So I followed along with that. The general sequence of a lesson was some kind of game, a shared book, an activity, and then some kind of activity or game to take home. The results were mixed. There was sort of a lot of testing was done at the beginning, mid and end point. Tests such as BERT, hearing and recording sounds and words, writing vocab knowledge, as well as running records were used to determine progress. I think there's been a lot of subjective progress that has been made, such as the people in the group, their confidence, the students in the group's confidence at reading and their enjoyment, which has been huge, as well as their ability to focus when reading and when involved in guided reading sessions. You can see here sight word and vowel blends and endings improvement. Running record results show huge improvement during the program, not up to the level necessary to meet the end of the second year standard, but definitely progress. This one here shows it slightly less progress. One of the students involved in the program has special learning needs, so less progress was probably expected, but progress was made. Writing, hearing and recording sounds and writing vocabulary tests were done throughout the program to inform who was involved in the program and the progress that they had made.